All right, welcome to Trading with Meatball. And yes, I share the whole screen. I'm just an old man flipping stocks, and you can follow my journey. We're not selling anything except an idea that we're stronger together, and we are doing just fine, thank you, in our Discord. And it's free. I got tired of paying thousands of dollars for everybody's inner circle and secret system, and there isn't one. There's a million ways to make money in the stock market. And so here's my pre-market routine. And you don't have to, use anything you don't want to. I use 100 things, and I don't use them all at the same time. That was a 90-day moving average. This is a 20. I usually have the orange one, the 20, and I trade the 5 minute, but we draw lines on the 15 minute. We teach you to draw lines so you don't have to listen to me or anyone else. And there's good teachers out there, and they have some product, and they're classy about it. The one guy, big guy's got the good videos with education, and you got a software, and they track your trades, and you should analyze your trades. Okay, I identified my bad ones were the first ones, so cut those out. Here's the VIX, and she's up overnight. Here's what to expect today. If the VIX was up overnight, it'd been going down all day, and it repeated that, and the SPY, kept going up and repeated that. And I don't care if you like my chart, draw your own damn chart. That's what this channel's about. We want you to draw your own charts, okay? I play retracements. Now, the dollar doesn't always go like a stock, but I draw lines on charts, and so F you, okay? It's your fault for tuning in. This is what I do in the morning. So where are we at? Okay, today's the 13th. It's 8 a.m. Okay, so we're over here somewhere. She's been going up since the market closed. Oh, right at 4 o'clock, huh? With a big green candle on the SPY at the very last 2 minutes or whatever the hell it was. If you were around for that, 5 minutes before, after they stopped me out, boom, right? And they did. It's okay. And so we draw lines and we plot reentries, and we do it like this on the QQQ yesterday. But if the VIX and the dollar are going up overnight, and the VIX is up and the dollar's up, overnight, it could be a little retracement on the SPY. My experience is we got data. There's a rate announcement today. There's usually a little bit of bleed off before a rate announcement or a Fed speak like Powell tomorrow or after the conference or whatever. You got to pay attention to the economic calendar. That has to be part of your daily thing. And at 2 and 2:30, you better be awake because you get the rate decision and then Chairman Powell speaks. And so that's my pre-market routine. And I talk to people in our Discord. And I talk to people on other platforms, and we trade uh, charts and whatnot. DocuSign and the Len was on our radar. I wanted it bad. The earnings per share come out on Thursday, and I was going to hold over the earnings. And it's the options are expensive for me. I'm a little old man taking a few $100s a month disability and flipping it, into a couple grand to pay bills, and I do it, or I don't eat. It's not a small account challenge. You can follow my journey, hit or miss. The Len was up $3 overnight or something. Now it's 142, but it was 143, I think. I don't know. It's early and I don't give a shit. I missed the entry. I had my entry marked. It never gave it to me. And so we draw our own zones and our own lines, and we don't chase. We look for wicks down and reentries. And of course, Rivian provides those all the time. And so we play Rivian a lot. And I scalped her yesterday. I had the entry plotted, and she gave it to us. And I draw these zones myself. And when it starts coming off my zone, going back up, and I already have an entry plotted there, okay, well, how did I know to plot that entry? Usually I'll do it on a 15 minute. And uh, this blue trend line is mine. I drew it, and I know it's coming back trying to fight that. And so if it goes over that, I'll be a pay. This is the 15 minute, okay? But I trade the 5. And so on the 5, if this thing's going up over my trend line and it crosses over my other trend line, it's also over the 20-day moving average. If all the stars in the moon align, it's a runner. And they make the electric vans for Amazon, so it's not gonna die, and it's really, really violent. That's what I like about it. It's really violent. Okay, so I discount. I don't count the spikes. I want the body of the movement, and I like it when something in the middle like this lines up with that. And yeah, there's a lot of lines, man. Sorry, we'll fix it for you. Okay, hang on. Make it easier for you to see. There you go. Okay, so we got a little trend going on. It touches this one. I got the body of this one, and I got the upside down head and shoulders, and then the bottom here. I'm good with this. I like this a lot. And so as it fails this and goes down, you can buy puts, but I wouldn't. It's a cork underwater. I'm waiting for it to come back up. So I'll wait. And when she starts crossing up over all these lines, we leave this here. And normally if we missed a trade, but we didn't take that trade, so it wasn't a miss. Why would I leave it there if it's a miss? So I can study it later, dumbass, and learn from it. And so right now we expect it to eventually find support, which I think it already has, or it'll find it here and chop or bleed right down here. But then it's a cork underwater, and I'm not going puts on this. Okay, I'll look for a retracement right here, and I'll look for this on the 5 minute, like this right here, like we took yesterday, where it goes over the 20-day moving average. All right, guys, be careful today. Good luck and have some fun. Okay, God bless you.